If you've ever visited Australia or seen its flag, you've probably seen a kangaroo. These iconic marsupials are known for their hopping gait, their powerful tails, and their signature pouches. But despite their fame, there's a lot about kangaroos that most people don't know. Let's dive into 10 amazing kangaroo facts that will leave you hopping for more. Kangaroos start out tiny. Despite being able to grow to over 6 feet tall, kangaroos begin their lives in a surprisingly small package. After only about a month of development inside their mother, baby kangaroos, known as joeys, are born. At birth, they're not much bigger than a jellybean. This tiny, pink, blind and hairless newborn then embarks on a journey that's not only incredible, but also essential to its survival. Without any help, the joey must crawl its way up into the safety of the pouch. Once inside, the joey latches onto a teat and begins its continued growth. Over the next several months, the pouch acts like a second womb, providing warmth, safety, and nourishment. What's truly remarkable is watching this tiny creature transform from something smaller than a jellybean to a miniature version of its mother, eventually becoming a young kangaroo, ready to hop outside the pouch and explore the world. They can move at surprising speeds. Kangaroos are well known for their hopping ability, which allows them to traverse vast distances across the Australian landscape with relative ease. Their long, muscular legs and spring-loaded tendons act like built-in trampolines, enabling them to leap over obstacles and cover significant ground in a single bound. These adaptations are not just for traversing rough terrains, but also for swift movement. Kangaroos can hop at speeds exceeding 35 miles per hour and can cover over 25 feet in a single jump. This speed comes with efficiency. The faster they hop, the more energy efficient it becomes, making it an ideal mode of transport across their native terrain. The pouch is more than just a pocket. While most people are familiar with the kangaroo's pouch, few understand its complexity and importance. Beyond being a distinct feature, the pouch is a dynamic and essential part of a kangaroo's life. Mother kangaroos can produce 2 different kinds of milk at the same time. Newborn joeys are totally dependent on their mothers for survival. The milk produced in the early stages is specially designed for tiny joeys that are still developing. As the joeys grow and prepare to venture outside the pouch, the mother's milk changes. She produces a second type of milk that helps wean the joey on solid food. This remarkable ability allows kangaroos to ensure the optimal nutrition for their offspring during every stage of their early development. They can't move backwards. Kangaroos are creatures of habit, primarily moving forwards across their landscape. Their physical attributes play a role in this directional preference. Their long, strong legs and muscular tails are perfectly suited for propelling them forward, allowing them to hop efficiently and effectively. However, this comes at a cost. Moving backwards proves to be almost impossible for kangaroos. This inability is not just a quirky oddity, but is actually symbolic of the forward momentum and resilience that these animals embody. The kangaroo's representation on the Australian coat of arms symbolizes progress and forward motion, reflecting the spirit of the nation itself. Their tail is a 5th appendage. The kangaroo's tail, often overlooked as just a distinctive feature, is in reality a marvel of adaptation and functionality. More than just a balancing aid, the tail is a fully functional 5th limb. It provides support, helping kangaroos stand upright and balance while eating, grooming, or resting. Additionally, the tail acts as a brace during fights. Male kangaroos use their tails to lean back, allowing them to deliver powerful front kicks, capable of knocking down opponents twice their size. This kick is not only forceful, but precise, showcasing the tail's flexibility and control. The tail is truly an all-in-one tool, serving as a stabilizer, a balance pole, and a formidable weapon when needed. They are strong swimmers. While kangaroos are celebrated for their terrestrial prowess, their swimming abilities are equally impressive. Despite their somewhat ungainly appearance in the water, kangaroos are surprisingly strong swimmers, using a dog paddle-like stroke with their legs and powerful kicks to propel themselves forward. They can navigate through water with ease. Swimming is not just a means of leisure for kangaroos. It's a crucial survival strategy. In times of danger or when escaping predators such as dingoes, kangaroos will flee to water. Here they find safety. Their kicking motion can be so vigorous that it can actually drown their attackers, showcasing their remarkable adaptability in aquatic environments. There are 4 main species. When most people think of kangaroos, they likely picture the iconic red kangaroo. However, this image only scratches the surface of the diversity within this remarkable group of animals. There are actually 4 main species of kangaroos, each uniquely adapted to its environment. The red kangaroo, the largest, can grow to over 6 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. On the other hand, smaller species like the eastern grey, western grey and antilopine kangaroo thrive in different habitats across Australia. This diversity highlights the adaptability of kangaroos and their ability to flourish in various ecological niches. They live in groups called mobs. Kangaroos don't lead solitary lives. Instead, they form groups, typically referred to as mobs, which serve as their social units. These mobs can range from a small gathering of a few individuals to large groups of more than 100 members. Living in groups offers several advantages. It enhances safety, as multiple pairs of eyes and ears can detect predators. It also facilitates the rearing of young, as multiple adults can assist in caring for joeys. Within these mobs, there's a hierarchy, especially among the males, who compete for dominance. The social dynamics of these groups add a layer of complexity to their behavior, making kangaroos not just fascinating to observe, but also reminding us of the intricate social structures in the animal kingdom. Mother kangaroos can pause pregnancy. One of the most remarkable adaptations of the kangaroo is its ability to control the timing of pregnancy. This ability, known as embryonic diapause, allows a mother to delay the development of an embryo until conditions are favorable. This can be particularly useful if she already has a joey in her pouch, or if environmental conditions are not suitable for another pregnancy. By pausing the development of an embryo, the mother ensures the survival of both existing offspring and the newly developing one. This adaptation showcases the incredible flexibility and resilience of kangaroos in the face of environmental challenges and highlights the lengths nature goes to ensure the survival of species. The cultural icons. Kangaroos are not just animals, they're cultural icons deeply ingrained in Australian society. Their image is synonymous with Australia itself. They appear on the country's coat of arms, national currency, government buildings, and countless pieces of art and literature. For Indigenous Australians, kangaroos hold deep spiritual significance, featuring prominently in Dreamtime stories and traditional art forms. Their presence in culture reflects their importance, strength and enduring presence in the Australian landscape. Kangaroos are not only unique and fascinating creatures, but also important parts of the ecosystem and cultural identity of Australia. Their ability to adapt and thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth is a testament to their resilience and unique physiology. So the next time you see a kangaroo, take a moment to appreciate the incredible animal it is. From its tiny beginnings in the pouch, to its powerful leaps across the land, and its status as a cultural icon. Kangaroos are truly a wonder of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the amazing world of kangaroos. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our future wildlife wonders. And be sure to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos are released.